Welcome to Dice Academy. My name is Gopal. I am Institute Director of Dice Academy. Today we can discuss about Icet previous questions for TS and as well as AP. తెలంగాణ అండ్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ వాళ్ళకి ఐసెట్ కోచింగ్లో వచ్చే ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ గురించి మనం డిస్కస్ చేద్దామండి. ఆల్రెడీ నేను ప్రీవియస్గా మీకు బిఫోర్ పర్సంటేజ్ అని టాపిక్ చేశాను. టుడే మనం ఈరోజు వీ కెన్ గో ఫర్ పార్ట్నర్షిప్ టాపిక్ని స్టార్ట్ చేద్దామండి. నౌ సీ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇన్ పార్ట్నర్షిప్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ డైస్ లోగో. Now go for the topic. So today's topic is partnership. So in ICET lo manaki 2 or 3 questions రావడానికి స్కోప్ ఉంది. చాలా ఈజీ టాపిక్. పార్ట్నర్షిప్ ఇస్ ఎ వెరీ ఈజీ టాపిక్. సో మనం దీనిలో 2 or 3 క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తాయి, చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటాయండి. సో జనరల్గా ఒకటే ఫార్ములా ఉంటుంది పార్ట్నర్షిప్ ఫార్ములా. ప్రాఫిట్ రేషియో ఫార్ములా ఏంటంటే క్యాపిటల్ ఇంటూ టైం, అదొక ఫార్ములా వస్తే చేసుకోవచ్చు అండి. క్యాపిటల్ ఇంటూ టైం ఈజ్ ద ఫార్ములా. సో నౌ సీ ద ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. A comma B comma invested rupees 6,000, 9,000, 10,000 respectively in a business. If the profit at end of year 15,000 and the share of profit for year. So now here using capitals. Their capitals is the profit. What capitals is profit ratio అవుతుంది. A is to B is to C. ఇక్కడ అన్నిట్లో రేషియో రాసినప్పుడు ఈ 3 zeros తీసుకోకలే, 3 zeros క్యాన్సిల్. ద రేషియో is 6:9:10 is the required ratio. So అన్నిట్లో కామన్ 3 zeros we can cancel all the. Now the ratio becomes 6:9:10 is the required ratio. Now the question, share of A share is equal to A part is 6 by total part 6 plus 9 14, 14 plus 10 24, and the total amount is 15,000 rupees. Total amount is 15,000 rupees. So now 6 ones are 6 fours are 4 ones, 4 threes are 12, 4 threes are 12, 30 is there, 4 sevens are 30 is there, 4 sevens are 28, 4 fives, 3750 is the required answer. So the answer will be near answer, you can take it as a 3,800 you can take. So the profit ratio is a 6:9:10. Okay, there is no chance of cancellation. The value is, sorry, it is 25. I hope it is 25. The profit ratio is nothing but 6 by, the value of A is 6 by total parts is nothing but 25 into the amount is 15,000. So with the 5 table, 5 5s are 5 3s are 15, 3 zeros as it is. Once again 5 1s are 5 6,000. So the answer is 6 into 6. The required answer is 3,600 is the required answer. First one is the required answer. 36 is the required answer. This is the first one problem. ఇలా చేయొచ్చండి. సో సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్కి వెళ్ళినట్టయితే A invested rupees 10,000 for 9 months and B invested rupees 15,000 for 6 months. What is the share of B in that? Now here we can common capital 3 zeros cancel చేసుకోవచ్చు. A is to B profit means capital into time. Capital is 10 into 9 and B will be 15 into 6. Now here it is 10 into 9 is 90. 15 6 is also 90. 90 cancel. 1:1 is the profit ratio. 1:1 is the required profit ratio. Now what is the question is a B share. B share is equal to B part is 1 by total parts 1 plus 1 2. Total amount is 3,400. This is the total amount. 2 ones are 2 1700s. So the profit ratio is 1700 is the required profit ratio. This is the second problem. Now go for the third problem. X invests to be 75,000 after 3 months. Y joins with an investment of 60,000. If the profit at the end of year is 16,000, find it. So the profit ratio of A is to B is we can commonly cancel 3 zeros cancel. We can take 75 into A is 12 months because the business is 1 year. And see Y joined after 3 months means 12 minus 3 only 9 months B investment. So 60,000 into 9 months. 16 to 9. B has joined after 3 months. So that's why B capital investment time period is only 9 months and A time period is 12 because annual means 1 year means 12. Now 15 5s are 15 4s are 4 1s are 4 3s are. So 5 into 3 3 1s are 3 3s are. So finally the profit ratio 5:3 is the profit ratio. The profit ratio 5:3. Now what is the question? Find the share of Y. So you can take this as X and Y. So Y share means Y is equal to Y part is 3 by total parts 5 plus 3 8. Total amount is 16,000. 8 ones are 8 twos are. So 2 into 3, 6,000 rupees is the required answer. 6,000 is the required answer. This is the required answer, 6,000. Now go for the next problem. Now see here, Dice Academy previous year's Icet ranks. We have got previous ranks is, so Revati he got 97 rank and Akshay he got 126 ranks. Varishit he is fine and Anushka he got and so many ranks we have got in the Icet. This is just our idea. Now go for the next problem. A comma B comma C invest rupees 6,000, 7,000, 8,000 respectively. At the end of year the profit is what is the share of B. So now here 3 zeros cancel. A is to B is to C, profit ratio is 6 is to 7 is to 8. Now find the share of B. B share is equal to B part is 7 by total part 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 8. 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 8 is 21 into the amount is 3150. 7 ones are 7 threes are 3 ones are 3 ones are 0 3 5. 1050 is the answer. 1050 is the required value. 1050 is the required value. Now go for the next problem. A started a business, started with 50,000. After 2 months, B joined with an investment 6,000. If the total for the end of year. So now here also 3 zeros cancel. A is to B. A is complete full 1 year, 50 into 12. B joined after 2 months means 60 into remaining months is only 10 months. Remaining months is only 10 months. After 2 months, B joined means remaining months is 10 months. Now this 0 cancel. 5 ones, 5 twos. Here 2 ones, 2 6 times. 6 and 6 cancel. 1 is to 1 is the required ratio. The profit ratio, the ratio is 1 is to 1. So now the share of A means A is equal to 1 by total part 1 plus 1 2 and the total amount is 22,000. 22,000. 2 ones are to 11 times. So the answer is 11,000 rupees is the required value. So capital into time 50 into 12. 60 into 50 into 12 for 1 year కాబట్టి B యొక్క షేర్ అంటే 60 into the remaining months is or 2 months is over means remaining months is only 10 months. On cancellation the value becomes 11,000 is the required value. Now 6th question. A and B started a business. A's investment is twice that of B and the period of investment is twice that of B. So if B received rupees, so here he was in capitals and capital of A and B. Capitals of A and B are A's investment is thrice that of B. Suppose B is X, A is thrice. This is capitals. Next, if you go for time A is to B. Period of investment is twice that of B. So suppose the time period of B is Y, time period is A is 2Y. Now I am writing profit ratio. Profit ratio of A is to B is the value of A capital is 3x and B time period is 2y. Next, B is x, capital is x is 2y. So the value becomes x and y cancel, 3 into 2, 6 is to 1 is the profit ratio. The profit ratio is 6 is to 1 is the profit ratio. Now what is the question? Here B received rupees 6,000. B is one part. 4,000. B is one part. One part is equal to 4,000. 4,000. The question is, what is the total profit? 6 plus 1. 7 parts how much? 7 parts how much? One part is equal to 4,000. One part is equal to B part is 1 part is 4,000. So the total profit means 6 plus 1, 7 parts how much? So 7 into 4,000, 7 into 4,000 rupees. The required answer is 28,000 rupees is the required value. This is 28,000. Second option is the right answer. Go for the next problem, 7th one. A and B invested rupees 60,000 rupees 9,000 in business. B withdraws his capital after 8 months. So what is the ratio they divide in the annual profit? Now here also 4 zeros cancel. So A exactly 12 months, 6 into 12. A capital is 6 and time is 12. If you go for B, 9 into his capital is only 8 months into 8. This is the profit ratio. So the value 4 2s are 4 3s are 3 1s are 3 3. So the value becomes 3 3s are 3 1s are 3 2s are. This 2 2 cancel. 1 is to 1 is the profit ratio. The profit ratio is equal to 1:1 is the profit ratio. If not directly, 12 6 are 72, 9 8 are 72. 7 to cancel, 1:1 is the required value. Next question. A comma B comma C enter into a partnership with capital C in which A's contribution is 10,000 out of a total profit of rupees 1,000. Total 2,000. If A gets rupees 500 and B gets rupees 300, then C's capital is dash. So now we can write the profit ratio of ABC. ABC. A is 500, B is 300. A got profit 500, B got 500. The total profit is only 1,000 rupees. So 500 plus 300, already 800 is over. Remaining is 1,000 minus 800. C profit is 200 rupees. The profit of C is 200 rupees. Now you can cancel the two zeros. The profit ratio is nothing but 5:3:2. So this is nothing but the capital ratio also. Capital ratio. Now A's contribution is 10,000. Means 5 parts is equal to 10,000. 5 parts is equal to 10,000. Then C's capital means C is 2 parts only. 2 parts how much? 2 parts how much? Cross multiplication these two, they downward. 2 into 10,000. 2 into 10,000 by 5. You don't pike వస్తుంది కిందకి వస్తుంది 5 ones are 5 2 times 2 into 2 4,000 rupees is the capital of C. The capital of C is how much means 4,000 rupees is the capital of C. C యొక్క capital అంటే 4,000 వస్తుందండి. Next go for next problem. A and B start a business with investment rupees 10,000 rupees 15,000 respectively. C join them after 6 months with an investment of 20,000. C share is at the end of year. Now once again here 3 zeros and C also 3 zeros. So now I am writing A is to B is to C. The capital of A is 10 into time period is 12 months 1 year. B also 15 into time period is 12 months. When come to C, C join after 6 months. So the remaining months is only 6 months. So 20 into 6. This is the profit ratio of C. This is the profit ratio of ABC. So in this we can take cancel with 5 table, 5 2s, 5 3s, 5 4s. Now it becomes, the ratio becomes A is to B is to C. A is to B is to C. 2 into 12, 24. 24 is to 12 into 3, 36 is to 4, 6 for the 24. You can cancel with the 12 table. 12 2s, 12 3s, 12 1s. So 12 table, the value 12 2s 24, 12 30 is 12 on the term. Finally the profit ratio 2 is to 3 is to 1. What is our question? The profit of A at the end of year. See, he's gonna C share is 5,000. See, the one part is equal to 5,000. One part is equal to 5,000. 5,000. He's asking A means 2 parts. 2 parts how much? So the investment of, if C share is rupees 5,000 at the end of it, the profit of at the end of it, the profit of A is dash. So C share is one part is equal to 5,000. So 2 parts is equal to, the required answer is, so once again you can check out here any problem. 10 A and B should have been investment 10,000 respective C and them after the 6 months to 20,000. 20,000. If C share 5 at the end of year, the profit of A is dash. So here 10 into 12, 15 into 12, next 20 into 6, 5 table, 5 2s, 5 3s, 5 4s. 2 into 12 is 24, 3 into 36 and 24. 12 table, 12 2s, 12 3s, 12 1. So this is 12 2s. So C is nothing but 2 parts. 2 parts is equal to 5,000. 2 parts is equal to 5,000. And asking A is also 2 parts only. So our answer is same answer. 5,000 is the required answer. 5,000 is the required value. 5,000 is the required value. Okay, next problem వెళ్దామండి. ఇక్కడ before I have to strike with the wrong value. 12 2s is 24. Next, once again I am telling by our institute ranks. So Revati got 97 rank and Akshay got 126 and so on. These are the ranks of our institute ranks. Now A started a business with an investment of rupees 76,000. After n months, B joined with a capital of rupees 57,000. If the ratio of profit at the end of year is 2:1. So I'm writing the profit ratio of A is 76,000. 76,000 into 12 months. I don't know. B has joined After n months B joined. I don't know B investment is 57,000. I don't know after some x months, n months, assume. This is equal to profit ratio 2 by 1. This is profit ratio of A, profit ratio of B, that is equal to 2 is to 1. So here 3 zeros cancel. 19 fours are 19 threes are. 3 ones are 3 fours are. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So n is equal to 4 into n this side and 4 into this. N is equal to 4 into 2. 4 into 2, 8 months. So he invested after 8 months. After 8 months he has invested. After 8 months he has invested means, so he invested only 12 minus 8. 4 months he invested. He invested only 4 months because for 1 year we have 12 months is there. So after n months means that after 8 months he has invested the amount. So means he is invested only 4 months only. So the answer is 4 months is the answer. Next question. A comma B comma C invest a total sum of rupees 10 crores in a business. A invests rupees 30 lakhs. So this is 100 lakhs, assume 100 lakhs, you can get an idea. And 30 lakhs and 10 lakhs more. Then the share of B out of profit 20 lakhs in lakhs rupees dash. So let us assume C is X rupees. C X rupees. Then B investment is 10 lakhs more. 10 lakhs plus more. 10 lakhs plus X. Then A investment is 30 lakhs more than say 30 plus X. This total value is equal to 100 lakhs. So X plus 10 plus 10X plus X plus 30 plus X is equal to 100 lakhs. Now we can find out X value. 3X is equal to 10 plus 30, 40. That side you get 60. So 3 ones are 320 times. So X is equal to 20 lakhs is the capital of C. C capital is 20 lakhs. Now what is the question? Then the share of B out of total will be 20 lakhs. Then the share of B out of a total 20 lakhs. So now write down the profit ratio of A, B, C. A is to B is to C. C is X means 20 lakhs, 20 is to. B is 10 plus X, 10 plus 20, 30. C is 30 plus 20, 50. This is the profit ratio of A, B, C. So the ratio is 5 is to 3 is to 2. This is the profit ratio. Now the question is the share of B. B share is equal to B is 3 by total parts 10. Total amount is 20 lakhs. 0 cancel. 6 lakhs is the answer. 2 into 3. 6 lakhs is the required answer. 6 lakhs is the required value. Next question. A and B invested in a business in the ratio 3 is to 2. 3 is to 2. If 10% of total profit goes for donation and A share is 810, then the total profit is dash. So first of all, A share is 810. A part is how much? 3 parts. 3 parts is equal to 810. Now total parts means 3 plus 2, 5 parts, how much? 5 parts, how much? So 3 ones are 327 times, 270 times. So 270 into 5. 270 into 5, this value is equal to 0 into 5, 0. 7 5 is 35, 3 is there. 1350 rupees is the total share. But this total share is after discount. After first of all, after share, we are giving the 10% as for donation. Means this value is nothing but 100 minus 10. This value is nothing but 100 minus 10. This value is equal to 90% value. This one. So 90% value is equal to 90% value is equal to 1350. For I want the total profit to 100%. How much? 100% how much? Because first of all, in the total profit they are giving as a donation for 10%, means this value is only 90% value. So that's a 90% value is 1350. I want the total profit means 100% how much? This 0 cancel. 9 ones are 9 15 times. So the value is 15 into 100. So the total profit is 1500. Is the total. Originally they got 1500. From this 1500, first of all, they're giving 10% as donation. After giving the donation, the remaining amount is 1350 is the remaining. That is the question. Next question. In a business, A invested 3 times as much as B invested, and B invested. So the value of A is to B. A invested 3 times. Suppose B 1, A invested 3. 3 is to 1. 3 times. If you go for B invested to be 2/3 of what's invested means nothing but B is to C is 2 is to 3. B is to C is B is to 2%, B is to C 2 is to 3. Now I'm finding A is to B is to C value first of all. So A is to B is nothing but, so multiplying these two terms, 2 into 3 is 6, 1 into 2 2, next 1 into 3 3. This is the profit ratio of ABCs. So first of all, 2 into these two terms, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 3 6. Profit ratio is 6 is to 2 is to 3 is the product. Now we can find out the annual profit is 50. The share of B is equal to 2 by total parts 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 into 55,000. 11 ones are 11 fives are 2 into 5, 10,000 rupees is the required answer, and 10,000 rupees is the required. So the answer is 10 is the required answer. 10,000 rupees is the investment share of B student. Next, last question. This is the last one. 4 transport companies ABC rented a parking place. A kept 18 cars for 4 months, B kept so on. So now here the profit ratio is nothing but their cars into months is the profit ratio. A is to B is to C is to D. So A cars is 18, 18 months is 4. B cars is 24, months is 2. C cars is 28, months is 6. D cars is 28, months is 3. From here you can cancel 4 terms, 4 ones are, 4 six are, 4 sevens are, 4 sevens are. So finally I got the ratio is like this. A is to B is to C is to D. So 18 is to 6 into 2, 12 is to 7 into 6, 42 is to 7 into 3, 21. Now once again you can cancel 3 table. 3 6 are, 3 4 are, 3 14 times, 3 7 times. So this is the required profit ratio. The profit ratio is 6 is to 4 is to 14 is to 7. Now if you go for the, what is the, if A share is 3,600, so 6 parts value is equal to 3,600. The total value means 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 14 24, 24 plus 7 is 31 parts. How much? 31 parts, how much? 6 ones are 600 times. So 31 into 600, 31 into 600, 2 zeros there, 6 ones are 6, 6 is 18. So the answer is 18,600 rupees is the required answer. 18,600 required answer. So I hope with this that this topic is closed. Once again our ranks. Yes. With this topic is over. So today we have discussed partnership topic, all previous questions. So this one, the second part is also there. Tomorrow I will discuss the second part also in this one. Okay. See you tomorrow. Bye.